So hey everybody, welcome. So this is our weekly hey, how's it going call, talking about what's going on at Topcoder, as well as just catching up with everybody, doing some networking and meeting up. So if you are new to this call, this is your first time meeting everybody or joining, please let us know. My name is Jessie, in case you haven't met me yet, so welcome. Nice to have you here. Please do share in the chat if you have any questions, or if you would like to come off mute and say hello, you're more than welcome to. This is a for fun open call, so nothing serious. You're welcome to join, to be on camera and talk or ask questions at any time. Okay. All right, and I am sharing my screen now. You guys should be good. Okie dokie. Brian, welcome. You're new as well. Thanks for joining. Glad you can make it. So we do this call every week for those of you that are new. And the main goal of it is really just to connect with everybody, because we haven't been able to do in-person things in a long time. And it's great just to connect every week, see how everybody's doing, and just answer questions. A lot of folks who are new to Topcoder will join this call. And it's a great way to kickstart their career and their success at Topcoder. Just ask Robinson. He's been joining our call since the beginning and has done really well at Topcoder. So we appreciate him always jumping on here and saying hello. And now he's running some of his own calls with Abby and getting more Topcoder members involved. So it's a lovely full circle there. All right, so I've got some stuff to share today. We are going to go through some of these things. So it is Design Month, in case you missed it. So we are celebrating Diablo's Design Month. So as you know, we run Design Month every May in honor of Guy, who passed away a couple of years ago, one of our famous designers and MVPs. So I'm really excited to bring Design Month back to you guys this month. There's a couple challenges running. There's more coming this week. Everything about Design Month is here in this link here. I'm going to put it in the chat so you can always see what's going on. But lots of fun things going on, especially our live events. So we had our kickoff last week. We have Getting to Know Discord that's happening this time tomorrow. So this is going to be a really great call for you if you're new to Topcoder and or Discord. We started a Discord server, as some of you might know. It's been very awesome. I find myself on it every day, which is either a good or a bad thing. But it's great to check in with everybody. And it's great to see you guys connecting. You can connect with folks in your region. You can connect with folks who have the same interests as you. And Nick just started a new gamification group in there. If you're interested in gamification, there's a new NASA community group in there as well. So this is a really, really great way to extend your Topcoder engagement. So if you're new to Discord, I knew I had no idea what I was doing. And sometimes I still have no idea what I'm doing in there, and that's okay, because we have someone amazing called Nick who's on our team, and he's gonna kind of run through all things Discord and how it works, how you can earn coins and level up and all this fun stuff. And last week we were just hanging out, chatting about stuff, and just gave away some t-shirts and stuff just for fun, right? Because we're hanging out with everybody, and we want to just thank our members for being there and hanging out. So definitely a great opportunity to join that webinar tomorrow. Then next week we have a Topcoder Nation show with Luis here. Do you want to tell us a little bit about what you're going to talk to Trevor about next week, Luis?
Oh yes, of course. I'm catching up with that actually. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun interview with Trevor because we asked him questions about anything. He's running very special, particular projects for using UX fundamentals. And since we are in Design Month, what a great opportunity to learn about how to use proper design systems and design fundamentals that we're using for the Topcoder products. It's going to be a fun and entertaining session with Trevor. And the best of everything is that any designer, anyone in the community can ask him actually anything about design, about his cool classes, anything.
Yep, anything at all. So go ahead and register.
Yep.
And then you do have a link for questions as well. So if you guys have questions, you want to ask Trevor, put it in there, but that'll be next week. So thanks, Luis. Yeah, that should be fun. And Trevor lives in Colorado, so you can ask him questions about Colorado too, whatever. really cool guy to get to meet. So excited for Design Month. And then at the end of the month, we do have our Freelancer Fair. And we'll probably share some more details on that next week. But the Freelancer Fair will be a really great opportunity for you guys to get some tips and tricks as a freelancer, as a designer, or just as a member in general. So that'll be on the 31st. So Design Month is up and running. We're really excited about it. So hope to see you guys taking part in some of the things going on. So yeah, we talked about this last week about how our members discovered comments because they're super cool and really amazingly smart. So I did want to share, we have a NASA community, you guys. If you haven't joined already, I'm going to share the link here. The purpose of the NASA community is really for you. First of all, you can see some of the awesome projects that we've done over the years with NASA. And these are just some of them. There's a ton more that we're still going to be adding in here of past projects. But if joining the community will ensure that if there's ever a new opportunity or something happening with the NASA projects, you'll get notified and you'll be a part of it. This is just the beginning of the NASA community. We'll be having a leaderboard up here and some more cool things going on with NASA and all the projects that we do. So get in now, NASA community, join it. All it is just giving us notification that you're interested in NASA projects, and then we can email you when they come up. And as I said, there's a NASA channel in Discord, so you can talk through some of the things. At the end of the month, we will be having a NASA webinar. I totally forgot to put the link up here, guys. I'll grab it for you. There's a webinar at the end of the month with some of the winners from the Comet Detection Challenge. So that was such a cool project. When we learned that our members actually found comets, it was very, very cool. So these winners, these guys, their algorithms actually found comets that were not discovered already, which is super cool. So I think 1 or 2 of them will be on the webinar on the 24th. So please check that out. It'll be great to listen to them and hear how they solve the problem. So don't miss it. Erin, if you have that link, you can throw it in the chat for me. Thanks for that webinar. All right, what else is going on? We have, we talked about our Topcoder Nation show already. Excited for that one. We have a hangout on the 27th. So Luis runs these as well. And this is really just getting on a virtual call like this and just playing some games, having fun, winning some prizes. Watch out, because I like to win. And so I will win and I won't let you win. Yep. We did Type Racer last week. I won 2 of those races, Luis, by the way, you missed it.
Oh, really?
It's fun. So
over 100 words per minute. What? F, man, too much.
But then I was doing so bad. I kept making errors. I'm like, all right, I give up. I'm doing terrible now. But yeah, we'll play some Type Racer maybe. What else you want to do? Play Pictionary. That one's super fun.
Yeah, since we're in Design Month, maybe Pictionary is a good idea.
I love that game. That's really fun. I'm really good at that one too. Maybe I'll just bow out of a few rounds and so that I won't win all of them. Sorry, this is Topcoder. Our core is competition. I don't mess around with that. I'm competitive just as much as you guys. Hey, what game don't I know? You guys are bad. Oh wait, what was that other thing we did at TCO last year? Farjar found it. It was the one where there was instruments and like people. What was that one that was so funny? And it was like a beats game. And you would just go in and you would pick random beats and the people would like sing. Oh, somebody sent me that link because I love that game. That was so fun. It wasn't even a game. It was just messing around, making songs. Makes you feel like a DJ. That was so fun. So anyway, come hang out with us. It's a good time. It's a great way to just connect with other members. And as you see, like we have our little network here and we invite all are welcome. We got to grow our butter chicken squad and grow our friends and our family here at Topcoder. So you're all welcome. All righty, what else we got going on, you guys? We have a skill builder competition happening right now. So exciting. This one is for Microsoft Power Apps. Check this out. This competition is running right now. There are prizes. And basically what our skill builder competitions are for is to help you grow in these skills and get verified on your profile that you know these skills. There is an easy, medium, and hard challenge. So start with the easy, see how it goes, and then you can work your way up. By participating in one of these, it shows that you are efficient in the skill And then when you apply for a Topcoder gig, or you just want to add it to your resume, it just helps you to show your skills and how talented that you are. So definitely always check out our skill builder competitions. There's always a bunch running, and we have them monthly that have prizes. So this one is our skill builder of the month with prizes. Anyone take part in that skill builder yet? What do you think so far? How's it going? Robinson, did you do this one yet? Anybody? No? Yeah.
Not yet joined, but I'll try to join it soon.
Yeah, let me know how it goes. Too many interruptions to do the hard. Oh, okay, cool. Let me know how it goes. Yeah, I know you said you did the easy and medium. Nice. The singing game, no, it's actually not a karaoke game. So it's more fun than that. You don't have to sing at all. Cool. And if there's any other skills you want to learn, let us know, because we can run a competition for that. We can do a skill builder and whatever kind of skill you want to learn. Awesome. All right, what do we got next? Oh, we have our top gigs. So gigs of the week, we always go over our top freelance gigs of the week. So right now we've got an Angular developer. This gig is for any location. This is, oh, it's a part-time gig. Ooh, everybody loves part-time gigs. So check that one out, guys. The required skills are here. Please make sure that, oops, is that a skill, Becky, or is that a oops? That's funny.
I don't know what it is, but it is something.
Okay. Nice. All right. So if you, I could get this thing because I oops all the time. So perfect. I can apply for this gig. Oh, I see. Oops. It's down below. Oops concepts. Object-oriented programming systems. Thank you, Vipul. Very nice to learn that I have that skill. I have oops skills. That's fantastic. So check out this gig. As I said, make sure your skills are listed on your resume if you're interested, because that was what qualifies you to move on. So you can apply below here, or you can share this referral and you can get paid $500 just in case, if you find somebody who's a good fit. So please check that one out. The next one is a React Native developer. So yes, you need to check this one out. This is India only. And these are the skills needed. So if you're interested in that one, you can apply there. This one is a blockchain architect. We've had a few blockchain things in the past couple weeks. And also we've had a blockchain skill builder. So if you've done the blockchain skill builder, you're a good candidate for this. And make sure you have all these skills listed on your resume if you're interested in applying for that one. And a blockchain developer also for any location. So check that one out. That one has lots more skills needed. And then we have an AWS engineer. This is also for any location. Check that one out if you're interested. As always, as I said, you can share the link. And then we have our Shiny. I love the R-Shiny developer. So fun. I would love to be Shiny, an R-Shiny developer. I know, I always make fun of these technical term guys. You guys all should be laughing, but you're probably not, because you're like, oh, I am an R-Shiny developer. It's really not funny. Quiet crowd today. All right, this is India only. So check this one out if you are an R-Shiny developer. As always, please share these gigs. I see them popping up on my LinkedIn feed sometimes and on Twitter and whatnot. So check them out. If there's nothing here that really suits you, you can always go to topcoder.com/gigs and see all of them. And by sharing your link here, you're going to get credit for anybody who applies for one of those gigs. And you will only see this link if you are logged in. So make sure you're logged into Topcoder. But don't miss all of our, oh, we have a MuleSoft developer gig too, guys. And we just ran a MuleSoft skill builder last month, see? So work comes with the skills that we run challenges for and skill builders for. So check it out. All right. Any questions on our Topcoder gigs? Or does anyone have any questions on a gig they potentially applied for? You always have the gig team here. And any questions, you can always email the gig team at gigwork. All righty. What's up next? Oh, lots of things going on, as I said. So it's just a quick snapshot of here's the calendar. We talked about a lot of these things already. There's still that hydropower operations optimization marathon match. That's a mouthful. So that match is still running for another couple of weeks. And then we have the Discord webinar. We have SRMs coming up this week and next week. So SRM is single round match algorithm competition. And then we also have a rookie one. So if you're new to Topcoder, you want to check out the rookie SRM. We do give out t-shirts for that one. And then our marathon match will be coming up next week. And the next round for TCO is also coming up in a couple of weeks. So TCO round 2. So if you qualified for round 2, you can participate in, there's 2 rounds for round 2, 2A and 2B. So that's coming up. And, you know, the other events that we talked about already, as well as an RDM coming up on the 27th. And I think the last RDM was quite the success. So Penna, we're looking forward to RDM 7. Sounds fun. RDM stands for Rapid Development Match. And so that is basically a quick developer match, similar to algorithm, where you have 3 problems to solve. So really fun. RDMs are really fun, or so I've heard. So check that out. Okay, so that's it for stuff today. I would like to remind everybody that there's always a lot going on here, but we're always available to help you. So if there's any questions you have or any more information you need, please let us know. My email is in the chat right now. I'm going to put it in there. And then also you have us on Discord forum. So any questions come up, you can always let us know. Is there anything out there my team has this week that they want to share or promote that I might have missed? Do we not have anything? Or Lynn, you guys have anything this week? What's going on in your worlds? I'll take that as a no. Cool. And also, let's see who else is here. Yeah. Okay. Daniela, anything else we're missing for Design Month or anything?
No, all good.
Awesome. Okay.
Maybe we want to share the TCO survey for the members who didn't took it.
Yep. So yeah, I can share that link as well. We did do a survey for TCO. We're kind of revamping TCO, making it exciting and different and fun. So if you want to give any feedback to it, let me know. Oh, and the other thing I was going to share, are you guys aware of our beta tester program? Some of you are probably in our beta tester program. So we have 2 opportunities coming up. I'm going to send out an email this week. Let me just share the beta tester link. So obviously everything we're doing here at Topcoder that's related to our members is important that we get your feedback on it. So we're going to be doing something related to TCO as well as some other cool things we have going on. We need your feedback so we can make sure that what we're doing is in line with kind of what you guys are wanting, right? Because it doesn't make sense for us to do things that you guys don't need or want. So please check out those opportunities will be posted. You can join our beta tester group on that link I shared. And I did in Discord last week promise a bug hunt. I missed my connection with my co-pilot last week, so I just got with him today. So that should be launching today, tomorrow time period. It's going to be a very different sort of bug hunt, so open for anybody. So definitely check that out. All right. Any questions? Hopefully this was helpful for some of you guys. If not, please share feedback. How can I make this call even more helpful for everybody? But looking forward to connecting with you guys in some of our events coming up, and hopefully seeing you again next week. Tempting me away from the hard challenge. No, you go do that hard challenge. You're cool. Go have fun with it. Let us know how it goes. All right, guys, have a great rest of your week. Thank you for joining. I'll talk to you soon.
Nice to meet everyone. Bye.
Bye, guys.